guys, hi family, tastemakers, Posh partners. Hello everyone, glad you made it today. Tanya here. In today's video, I'm making some goodie baskets. I have family coming in from out of town and they have young children, and these children are well cared for. They have everything they need, but as a gift basket designer, I always have gifts ready to go. And so I just want to give something. I want something from Aunt Tanya. I want to give them something, even though I'm sure there's nothing they really need. So here's some items that I've curated over the months. And got these LOL. There's two girls and a boy. And so I got some. So today I'm going to do the girls goodie bags. Okay, LOL. And I got these LOL backpacks. These are so cute. Look at these. I'm not sure. I got stuff from all over. Yeah, I got these from Dollar Tree. These were These were at the Dollar Tree Plus section. Okay, so I got those. Got a lunchbox. I got these LOL Surprise Color Twist Bath Bomb. And I couldn't get, when I saw the LOL toothbrushes, I didn't get them. I should have, because they were gone. So all they have left, they got the Barbie toothbrushes. Is there any toothpaste in here? No. Just the toothbrush and a toothbrush cover. Got some LOL jumbo crayons. There's 10 in the pack. Got these LOL activity sets, activity art set. You know, I like to have something for self-care, a book, some type of arts and crafts. We got this bubbles, set of bubbles. Got a leftover novelty ball. And this is this is from Rainbow High, the Fashion First Diary. These are really cute. It has a lock on it. It has pencils and pens in it. Designs under lock and key. So whatever they design, they can just keep it under lock and key. Nobody can steal their designs. Those are cute. Got a few of those. And then a jumbo word puzzle book. These are cute. These are nice. It's summertime, so a lot of this stuff can keep them busy during the summer, and then they can also be helpful during back to school. Okay, then we got a sticker story mega set. They get 6 background themes. So let's see. They get the, what is it? Strike a pose. They get the LOL, I can't read all that stuff, but they get 82 color forms. These are cute. Glow stickers, 9 posters. And they got the 48-piece puzzle. Aren't these cute? So yeah, this is I'm gonna call this the summer goodie bag. Keep the kids busy during summertime. Got some bubbles and a ball. And then I'll stick these in here now. I got several of these LOL like beanie. They got a beanie and a, what is it, mitten? So I'm gonna like combine it all like this. But first let me show you this. Then I got this one of the girls like LOL, the other one's like Disney Princess. So they'll have something for when fall comes. Okay. And then okay, I'll show you this first. So I'm gonna pack it all, like now here's the back. They're gonna get the activity book or the jumbo search book, and they got some crayons. Then I'm going to wrap it all up. Then they get the glow in the dark posters. And then I'm gonna put a Barbie. What are these? Barbie toothbrush. I am losing my memory or something. And get the bath bomb right here. And then I put the puzzle right here. The puzzle on top. Then they get their diary right here. And then I'm gonna put the hat and scarf set right there. Okay, so we have all of that. And then in one bag, so I'm gonna get a bag. They're gonna get a backpack. And this would make it easy for the parents to take it home to them since they're traveling. So they're gonna get a backpack, they're gonna get all that these other items. They're gonna put that. Okay, oh, I forgot the activity set here. Okay, and then the other bag. No, the other one just needs the they just need the lunch bag. And so we're going to put in the word puzzle, the word search puzzle. We're going to put that. Get a diary, a puzzle, get the crayons, bath bomb, this, put the hat, and the ball. So that's how. This is a duplicate, so I'll put this back. I'm gonna go on and put this backpack in the other one. I like when kids are about the same age, for them to have about the same thing. Okay, so one might like the ball more than they like the bubbles. Okay, we got that. just a minute. Let me show you. I have to find something else. This is all I have for boys that I know they like the Paw Patrol. We got the Paw Patrol bath bomb, toothbrush, got a puzzle. We got some Kleenex for him. And we got a hat. And let's see, would the ball be more suited for him? Maybe, probably. Give him a ball, then I'm sure I have something else, okay? Okay guys, so I just wanted to share with you some ideas on creating some goodie bags for a child. Give them some fun activities for the summer. And yes, these are cute. Then you can throw in some things that, you know, they can use during the year. You know, when school starts, when winter kicks in, you have a couple of items in there for that as well, okay? So thank you so much. And if you got some inspiration or got some ideas, I appreciate it if you hit that like button. And if you're new, hello and welcome. And I welcome you to subscribe. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe. And thank you for stopping by, all right? See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.